What is up, YouTube? American High Point here with you, and today we're going to try out a new light that I found at AutoZone. They are the app-controlled 6-inch smart running light kit. They're not cheap, so what we're going to find out is, are they worth the money? Let's take her back to the garage and start installing these things. Alright guys, we are back in the garage. Now, nobody has ever seen my Jeep before. For good reason. Thing's a piece of junk. I call it my heap. Alright. There she is. She is a 1995 Jeep Wrangler YJ. And she's got some problems. First issue, we have a lot of rust. All throughout the window. Lovely. Now the underneath, the clutch just recently went out. And of course, like any Jeep, it's not supposed to have bolts that are removable. So we look underneath here, and those are welds holding in the bottom plate. So she needed some work. Haven't been able to get really a chance to do a video on it. Since I've had the Jeep, I have installed the LED headlight upgrades. See those? Got them off of Amazon, real cheap. Can't beat the price. I think I got them for around $50, something like that. Awesome, right? So, me, being cheap, tried to Bondo it. That didn't work either, because you can see right here, all this Bondo that I put on there is now being pushed out by rust. So, didn't work very well. So obviously I didn't either seal it up right or something. So today, like I said, I just figured I would give y'all a tour of the Jeep a little bit. The interior, absolutely no upgrades done to the interior. Completely bone stock. My center console broke. Seats, they're ripping pretty bad. Just an old beater, right? I plan on fixing it up, and I want to count you all in on my journey. So, first thing we got to do with any Jeep, right? We got to add lights. Come on, I mean, what's a Jeep without off-road lights, right? So, I'm going to put those down there for right now. I don't really know where to install these. I have these junky regular lights that are on it. Absolutely hate them. Can't stand them. They don't light up anything. So what I plan on doing is we're just going to mount those right here where they stick up over top of it just a little bit. See what we can do. By the way, it's a 2-cylinder or a 4-cylinder. So she ain't very fast. She ain't very good off-road either. But we're going to fix that also. I got a 4-liter sitting with nowhere to go. So, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Really help me out. And follow me on this journey. Alright, let's get everything set up. Let's see what's in the box. Alright, like I said in the beginning, it is the 6-inch smart running light kit. And it is app controlled. Type S off-road makes it. So don't know much about these guys. This ran me about $70 from AutoZone. I have no idea if they're worth the money or not, but I had a little extra laying around, so I figured that it'd be cool to have the different color changing options in here. Blah, 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 blah. So let's open her up here, see what we get in the package. This is my first video, by the way, guys, so I am sorry if I miss anything, if I do anything wrong. Leave in the comments section about what I can do better. Alright, so nice packaging. I mean, nice layout. That's what you get in the box right there. Okay, let's see. So we have, okay guys, first thing I'm noticing is this is every bit plastic. I have light bar on my 2012 Ram 1500, complete aluminum. This is plastic, and I paid for a 56-inch light bar, I paid $50. These were $69. So notice that right off the bat. We'll probably do a comparison between those two light bars, both cheap. So there's that. Here's the first one. Second one, same thing. They do have this 3M sticky tape at the bottom of them. Don't know why exactly you would put them on your car like that. That just seems like a bad idea, and you just want them to fall off. Unless you wreck your car a lot, and it might save the plastic housing, because this might give first. You never know. Maybe that's an off-road feature. Okay, so next we have the controller. Now, with these lights, as long as it has power, you're good to go. You can turn them off, you can turn them on, as long as you're in range with the lights, which is pretty cool. I mean, while I'm fishing, if I catch a fish or something and I have the Jeep face towards the lake, I could just get on my phone, put on the lights, have little nighttime fishing lights. I don't have to leave them on all the time like I do my normal lights. So Jeep don't have to stay running. That gets kind of annoying. It's not the quietest thing in the world. Alright, next we have the, let's just open it. We have the sticky mount for your Wi-Fi box. We have small screws, not even self-tappers, so I guess if you was to want to put them in plastic, I don't know, guys. And they do come with very small wire ties. So, there's that. That's about it. That's about all it comes with. And there's your user manual. Let's get a good view of that. There you go. So there's the user manual, guys. So, look through here. They are 7 watts. It's good. Bluetooth distance is 30 foot with no obstacles. We all know we have obstacles in our Jeep. That is what we hope on, is obstacles. So let's say like 10 feet, which hopefully you're inside of your Jeep and you're not walking. That means you got stuck, and we all know that doesn't happen in a Jeep. All right. So we have, it is IP67 rated. So she's good. She's waterproof. Should be able to dunk them in the river and she should come out fine. It draws 1.7 amp. And that is the 2 lights running. So you can leave these things on for at least 5 hours before you ever have to worry about your battery draining if you have a good battery. Before you're running into a no-start problem. Alright, so the looms is 500. Each one is 500, so a combination, I guess that would be 1,000. Alright, guys. So it shows you put it on a truck. And if you have a truck with a plastic bumper that you want to put chintzy screws in, go for it. Alright. let's check these things out and get them installed. I don't want to waste too much of your guys' time. Don't want to make this video any longer than it has to be, because I don't like watching long videos just as much as you guys. Just got done installing the lights. Exactly. They're not there. They didn't work. So, my complete review. Don't waste your money. Guess I'll be making a trip to AutoZone tomorrow to return these lights, and I'm going on to Amazon to get me some cheap pod lights for like 20 bucks. They're junk. $60 pair of junk. So, there it is. Got rid of a little bit of the rust on the front end of it around the windshield in my spare time, since I had all night planned to put on these lights. Oh, and also the app does not download. I have an iPhone. Can't get it to download, so way to go, Type S lights. Anybody else have this problem? Leave in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. See you next time.